Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do chapter number 4, pronouns, and this is the third video of the chapter. Today we are going to do the textual questions of this chapter. So please, children, take out your books to the page number 28 in your grammar, and let's begin with the exercise A. Children, this is exercise A on the page number 29. The first question is complete the sentences using suitable subject and object pronouns. Uncle Harry took him to the market. Gemma will reach here soon. He is already on his way. All my friends promised to come. Full stop. They will be here by 7 p.m. We were getting bored at home. So Mark showed us some magic tricks. Junaid is new to this school. He is from Afghanistan. John has a dog. It is black. Children, coming to the question number exercise B. Look at the underlined pronouns and write S for subject pronoun and O for object pronoun. The teacher told them a story. It's object pronoun. He is riding my bike, subject pronoun. She gave the book to Mrs. Brown, subject pronoun. Let's go to the page number 30, children. Please turn your pages to page number 30. Fourth question, Rita gave the last piece of cake to her, object pronoun. They donated their old toys and clothes, subject pronoun. They left their car with us, object pronoun. The question number C. Complete the sentences using suitable possessive pronouns. The first one. This book belongs to me. It is mine. This is Shweta's essay. It is hers. The crayon box belongs to the children. It is theirs. You can choose any flavor you want. The choice is yours. My sister and I have 2 pet turtles. The turtles are ours. Okay, children. Here we complete the exercise C. Let's go to exercise D on the page number 31. Coming to exercise D, children, look at the underlined words. Write P for possessive pronouns and A for possessive adjectives. I am doing her work. Possessive adjective, write A. Is that bag yours? Possessive adjective. Possessive pronouns. The cat cleaned its fur. Possessive adjective. These crayons are theirs, not ours. Possessive adjective. These are my books. Possessive adjective. These are my books. Yours are in the desk. Possessive pronouns. Where did you keep your socks? Possessive adjective. Don't touch that sandwich. It is his. Possessive adjective. This carton is mine. Possessive pronoun. Bring your carton and keep it here. Possessive adjectives. Children, we'll go to the next exercise E on the page number 32. Fill in the blanks using demonstrative pronouns. Here, this is the book that you had asked me to get for you. Second, these are the names of the selected children, Neha, Ashraf and Mithun. Third, that over there is the tree from which I fell when I was 6 years old. Fourth, do you see the fields over there? Those are mine. Okay, children, now going to the exercise number F. Complete the sentences using interrogative pronouns. Whom did you see climbing the wall? What did you put in the box? I have a blue toothbrush. Which is yours? Who tells you all the stories? Whom did you invite to the party? Children, going to the page number 33, please. Coming to let's perfect it. Exercise A, state whether the underlined pronouns are subject pronouns or object pronouns. 5 of us decided to watch the match together. Subject pronoun. Supreet gave us the keys. Object pronoun. Going to the page number 33. Rahul and I are roommates. Who will accompany Rahul and I are roommates. Subject pronoun. Who will accompany me to the show? Subject pronoun. I never realized I had to hand over the money to them. Object pronoun. Mohan submitted the project to her. Object pronoun. Coming to the exercise B, complete these sentences using the demonstrative pronouns given in brackets. This is John's sweater and that belongs to Mary. Children, here the option was incorrect, so just put a slash between these and that. So the next question is, my book is on that table. This is your book. These are my crayons. Where are yours? Do those fit in your suitcase? I planted these, full stop. Those in that distance were planted by the gardener. Now coming to the exercise C, children, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. What do you like? I gave the dessert to Tahira and him. These rooms are ours. What is he doing? Whom do you wish to see? This set of drums is hers. It was not my fault, it was his. My sister loves reading. This book is for her. Would you like to join us for lunch? Zach gifted away the pen that was his. Look over there. That is the horse who won the race. We met a friendly dog who was wagging its tail excitedly. Coming to the exercise D, children, page number 33. Read these sentences. Underline the possessive pronouns and circle the possessive adjectives. Have you seen my shirt? Circle possessive adjective. All these toys are ours. Possessive pronoun. This is his dog and that one is mine. His dog, his is possessive adjective and mine is possessive pronoun. This is their car and that is ours. There is possessive adjective and ours here is possessive pronoun. My book is with him. My is possessive adjective. Going to the page number 34, children. Please go to the page number 34. Yes, children, we have come to the page number 34. This is a comprehension. Answer the following questions. The first question, why did the old man need to give his son some advice? The answer is he needed to give some advice to his sons because they were quarrelsome. The second question, what did the old man use to teach his sons a lesson? He used a bundle of sticks. The third question, the story ends with a question, full stop. If you were one of the sons, what would you say in reply? The answer is, if I would have been one of the sons, I would have said that unity is strength. The fourth question, children, give a suitable title to the story. 3 Sons and a Bundle of Stick is the title of the story. The question number B, find the antonyms of the words from the passage. Able, the antonym of able is unable. Join is quit. Friendly is unfriendly. Now coming to the fourth question, children. Circle the pronouns in the sentences and state their types. The first question, one day the old man gathered his sons around him. His is possessive pronoun. One day the old man, him, his is possessive pronoun and him is personal pronoun, children. The second question, one day the old man gathered his sons around him to give them some advice. The first one, his, is a possessive pronoun, him is a personal pronoun, and them is again a personal pronoun. The third question, break it. The third sentence, children, break it. It is the pronoun and it is a personal pronoun. The fourth sentence, who could break the stick? It's a question, children. Who is an interrogative pronoun. Now we have come to the end of the chapter, children. Please do it in your books. No need to do it in your grammar copies. All these exercises